Good afternoon. This is just one of the little unboxings for what I got here in the mail from Olight. It was a little subscription email I received from another company, and they said, hey, try these people out and you can get a flashlight for $5. So this is a little IE3 EOS keychain flashlight from Olight. So I just signed up for their newsletter and decided to give it a try. So I'm going to go ahead and open it real quick and we'll see what it looks like. Pretty good little packaging for such a small flashlight. Got little instructions on there on how to get it all opened up and everything. More instructions. Pretty much just what comes in the box. Pretty much the same as the sticker there. It's just a real small, durable little flashlight. Take it apart here. It looks like it has a little film in there that we'll take out there, probably to save the battery from going off during shipping. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, that's a bright little light. It's daytime here. It's about 5:30 p.m. and you can just see how bright that is on my hand. Oh, that is super bright for such a little light. Wow. Definitely durable, made of some real high strength metal, so it'll handle some abuse. It's like slightly water resistant because I had a little seal right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in there. But it's super bright. I'll probably do another video later on tonight when we see how bright it is at night. But this is definitely well worth $5 for shipping. Once again, it's from Olight. I'll include a description in the a link in the description down below. Once again, if you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.